In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up paid appointments on Calendly 2026, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have Calendly collecting payments up front so clients pay at the time of booking, reducing no-shows and keeping your workflow smooth. Start by opening your browser and going to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Login. Enter your email address, click Continue, then enter your password and continue again. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage where you can see your event types. Next, we'll connect a payment processor. Calendly supports several options, and in this guide, we'll use Stripe. From your homepage, look for integrations and apps and click it. On the integrations page, find Stripe and select it. Click Connect with Stripe. A secure Stripe window will open. Follow the prompts to log into your Stripe account and authorize the connection to Calendly. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, Stripe will guide you through creating one and verifying your business details. When authorization is complete, Stripe will confirm the connection and bring you back to Calendly with Stripe shown as connected. With payments connected, let's apply it to an event. Go back to your Calendly dashboard and open event types. Choose the specific event you want to charge for, such as a consultation or coaching session. Inside that event settings, open more options, then select payment. Here, select the option to get paid by Stripe. You'll see fields to configure how you charge for this event. Enter the amount you want to collect at booking. This is typically a flat fee for the session. You can include taxes in the amount if you handle them that way, or manage taxes within Stripe depending on your setup. Make sure the currency matches what you expect based on your account and location. You can also add helpful wording about what the payment covers, like whether it's a deposit or the full fee, and note your cancellation or rescheduling policy so guests know what to expect before they pay. Clear language here cuts down on disputes and support questions later. When you're satisfied with the amount and details, click Save Changes. That's it. Your selected event now requires payment during booking. Guests will pick a time, enter their details, and complete checkout through Stripe, and the meeting won't be confirmed until payment succeeds. You'll see the booking in Calendly and the transaction in Stripe, keeping scheduling and payments in sync. If you want extra peace of mind, consider doing a quick test booking to verify the flow looks right from your guest's perspective.